So my lesson plan incorporates the use of Google Docs. Students are supposed to write a flash fiction short story with a specific tone in mind. And then once they write that flash fiction short story, they will share their document with their group members. And then they will comment on each group member's story. And that comment will contain what tone they think the writer is using, 2 pieces of text evidence that support their claim, and then an analysis on the effect that the tone has on the piece. And then students will write a reflection paragraph at the end of the lesson. And so I intend to use Google Docs a lot as a teacher, so my students should already be familiar with how to navigate it. But just in case they don't, here's a tutorial of how they could complete this assignment using Google Docs. So they'll go up here and they'll select a blank document. They'll title it. We're going to title it Flash Fiction. And then they'll write their story. They'll have 7 minutes to write the story, but for the sake of time, I'll just write a quick little sentence. One of the prompts they can choose from is going to the doctor. So I'm going to pick going to the doctor, and I'm going to have a scared tone. So I'll write just a quick sentence. So my heartbeat was racing, and I couldn't keep my leg from bouncing as I sat nervously in the waiting room. Sorry. So once students are done writing their flash fiction, they will share this document with their group members. And to do that, they'll go over here to the share button, they'll click share. And they want to get a shareable link, so they'll click on this. And I have it set to where anyone with the link can view, that's good. So they'll share it here, they'll enter in the email addresses for their group members. Once they have shared it, each student is going to read their flash fiction stories and comment on it. And this comment needs to contain 1, a statement of what they believe the writer's tone is, 2 pieces of text evidence backing their claim, and then 3, an analysis of the effect that the tone has on the piece. So to comment, students just go over here on this right side. There's a little circle with a button that says add a comment. So if I was commenting, I would say, I think the tone is scared because ... And so, of course, students would then go in and fill in that tone. They would select comment so that the writer could see their comment. And once they're done and everyone has commented, students are going to go down and they will write their reflection. And once they have written their reflection, they're going to submit this to me through Canvas. So again, I intend to have my students already know how to work Google Docs, how to submit through Canvas, but in case they don't understand Google Docs, this is a tutorial that they can then use.